Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the skin disease classification project using Python. So in that project, I will explain.
This is a training model of your skin disease VIT code. So here we are importing the libraries and the model we are importing from the transformers. Okay, this one is the model. This one we are going to fine tune. So once the libraries are imported, and we just define the training and testing data. Okay, the training is like takes too much time if your system with the CPU only. That's why we have train it on the Kaggle. Okay, so there we got a free GPU access. Here we are like using data augmentation. Okay, like resizing, normalizing, and normalize the image. Training and like the testing data set we have given the name validation. Once we have loaded in the batches, data set into batches, train and file loader. Okay, and these are just giving us the classes name. Like we have 23 classes here. Loading the model and giving us. We use this train model. Okay, already trained model. Just what we do is just freeze the last layers. Like here we have our classes are different. Okay, there while training must be different. So we freeze the layer and we give our number of images like classes. Okay, that's why we are doing this. Okay, so once the model initial is done, here we are training the images, getting the loss and all optimizer, everything we are doing here, and same time we are evaluating the images also. So when you run this, you'll get the like this. Okay, this epochs training. Okay, so every epoch you are getting the loss reduced and getting the accuracy increasing. So there's slightly of the images in the data set like training folder and the testing folder. Maybe there are some differentiation in the images. Some testing images could be something having some differences. Okay, that's why the test like validation loss is like around 64, and in the training accuracy we have good. Okay, we are getting good accuracy. So once that is done, here we are saving the model and showing the graphs. Okay, the accuracy graph and loss graph. Okay, here we are just getting the classification report for every class. This is a confusion matrix. Okay, how much we got correct, how many classes we got wrong. Okay, and here is just the testing code using the saved model. Okay, so once the model is saved, okay, so the model is saved like this is the model vit model.pth. Okay, once the model is saved, what we do is we deploy the model in the Flask app. Okay, so this is our code for the Flask. These are the classes. These are the like the causes and the precautions. Okay, and here we are loading the feature extraction model. Okay, this one in the last code I showed you, it was the feature. The first one was the feature extraction model. Okay, this one. Okay, and this one was the actual model classification. Feature means like while we train now, so we get in some images we like, for example, cat and dog we have. Okay, the features of cat and the feature of dog like okay are different, like their face structure, their teeth, their size of face, like okay, so you can understand like features are different, like ears are different. All the all the cats will have similar face features, all the dogs will have similar face features. Okay, so we extract features for that. So that is what this model for. Okay, okay, so the this model will be same. Load and this model, the actual model will be loaded, and then we give our this one, the train model we give. Okay, because the most of the layers are similar, just the last layers are different, that's why. Okay, so with this model we gave our model. Okay, so once that is done, okay, here just the same image augmentation like what we used in our training. Okay, so what happens is like this is the main page index. Here you add the what you do like sorry, upload the image. This image goes to here like backend. Okay, here it goes, and the image goes this one you can see here the file path. This goes to the predict function. The predict, this predict image is the function. This process the image. Okay, like this is processing the image. Okay, and then this process image is going to the model, and then we are getting the predictions. Okay, prediction scores, everything, and then we pass this all the results, okay, to the main in the like the um, the UI. Okay, the index this we sent, and then here we shows it like what was the pretect class confidence. Okay, so this are all working like for the training the model, saving the models, deploying the model in the flash saved model, and then predicting the prediction on the input data. Okay, so once that is done, what you need to do is like, okay, once you have everything, okay, this is your folder, project folder. So here you can click cmd, hit enter, or you can open here, you can open terminal here. Okay, so I am okay. So your when you open from here, open terminal or the cmd, you here enter here. Okay, you will open this page. Okay, and what you do to is python app.py. Okay, the name of the our backend app file. Okay, flash file. Just hit enter. Just wait for it few seconds, and it will shows the url to open the code. It takes time because the model is also heavy. Okay, it is running successfully. It will show running on this localhost. Okay, so you just need to either you can copy or control plus enter. It will open the page. Okay, so now you know, like you just need to upload the image and use hit enter. Okay, upload.
You will get the output. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.